Hello friends, family, and anglers alike, and welcome back to another Rickles Fisher video. It's going to be another one of those recap type of videos. We went out on a rainy and snowy morning, me and my friend Jerry, and we caught some fish. It was a great day. My camera angle wasn't the best on this one. My GoPro was actually facing down more than I'd like it to be. But I did get some sweet shots of some fish, and we're going to share them. Content's better than no content, right? So I'll go ahead and roll all the clips.
There's one.
Nice.
Ooh.
The panther, nice little bully. There you go, that was perfect. Fish on. Oh, you lose him? Damn. Lost him again? Or was that one not a fish? Was that a hit too?
Definitely lower.
Oh yeah, everything is. Nice. Oh, perfect. I'll grab the net. Oh, perfect jump too. One more? No, that's it for jumps. What is it, a bull or a brown? It's got, yeah, it's acrobatic, I'd guess a brown. Nice. Beauty. On the panther mark.
Oh, I got one. I thought it was small, but now it's fighting big. What's going on here? Grab the net, buddy. You got it? I thought it was small. It might be hooked weird, but I would like to see it. Here he comes over here to you. Go down, get him, get him. Don't let him get in that car. Oh, it's a big bull. Oh, I thought you had him in there. Get it on there. There we go. That's a big one. Let's bring him back over to a spot here. That's a big one.
That's like one of the fattest brown trout I've ever caught. At least 26 inches. I don't even want to measure it. We're just going to let that beast go. So anyways, that's going to be the end of this video. That was a big fat bully. I hope you guys enjoyed those clips, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and be subscribed for the next one. We got plenty of adventures in the future here coming up soon. So we'll see you soon.